Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This time we will discuss something that may not be widely known, namely the making of exhaust. Most of us only see the exhaust that is finished and ready to use, without knowing how the complicated process behind its manufacture. Talking about exhaust, do you know where the word exhaust comes from? Whereas in English, exhaust is referred to as exhaust or muffler. Apparently, exhaust is an absorption of the word from knalpipkapot, which means drain pipe in Dutch. The word was then adapted to Indonesian pronunciation. Knalpipkapot became exhaust. The words pitch and ka are omitted. Keep in mind, the exhaust itself serves to reduce the noise produced by the engine. Without a muffler, the sound of the explosion in the combustion chamber will sound very loud and disturb other motorists. In addition, the muffler is also equipped with a catalyst system that plays an important role in reducing toxic gas emissions. Not only that, the muffler is also well designed in order to improve the engine performance of the vehicle. Before we step into the manufacturing process, let's first get to know the different types of car exhausts and how they work to make our vehicles more comfortable and efficient. The first is the stock exhaust, or what we often call the standard exhaust. A standard exhaust is a type of factory-installed exhaust designed to meet strict emission and noise standards. The muffler uses resonance chambers and baffles to break up sound waves and reduce noise. The standard exhaust is highly efficient and reliable for everyday use. The use of a stock exhaust provides a good balance between performance, comfort, and compliance with traffic regulations. The second is the performance exhaust. For those of you who want more than just an efficient vehicle, performance exhausts are an attractive option. These exhausts are designed to increase engine power and torque. This type of performance exhaust can provide a more challenging driving experience. The special silencers, or so-called performance mufflers, on these exhausts are designed to reduce airflow resistance while still muffling sound. Some models of this exhaust are also equipped with resonators or attachments that can help reduce certain sound frequencies, which can provide a smoother and more pleasant sound. This type of exhaust is perfect for riders who are looking for increased performance and a powerful sound, frequently participate in racing events, or simply enjoy the sound of a more powerful engine. Thirdly, there is also the catback exhaust type. This type of exhaust is made by incorporating silencers and resonators that help keep noise levels within acceptable limits while improving engine performance. Additionally, catback exhaust installation is relatively easy and often does not require major modifications to the vehicle. For those of you who like to switch the exhaust section from the catalytic converter to the rear, a catback exhaust is a good solution to improve airflow without having to change the emission system. This type of exhaust is usually used by riders who want a slight performance boost without having to overhaul the entire exhaust system. The catback type is suitable for light modifications and daily use. 4. There is the axle back exhaust. An axle back exhaust is a type of performance exhaust that replaces the exhaust section from the rear wheel axle to the exhaust tip. This modification is usually easier to install compared to a full exhaust system because it only involves the rear of the exhaust. The installation of an axle back exhaust is also easier and faster compared to other exhausts. This type is a great choice for those who want to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle without making major modifications. There is the turbo back exhaust type. A turbo back exhaust is a performance exhaust system that replaces the entire exhaust component from the turbocharger to the exhaust tip. This modification is usually applied to vehicles equipped with a turbocharger and aims to improve performance by optimizing the exhaust gas flow from the turbocharger. Turbo back exhausts are often used by automotive enthusiasts who want a bigger performance boost and a more powerful sound. And the last is the DPF back exhaust. The DPF back exhaust is a performance exhaust system that replaces the exhaust components from the diesel particulate filter to the exhaust tip. This system is specifically designed for diesel vehicles equipped with DPF and aims to improve performance and efficiency without compromising its functionality. This exhaust helps manage the frequency of sound produced by the diesel engine and improves performance without changing the diesel filtration system. While not as loud as other exhaust systems such as turboback, DPF back exhausts still provide a deeper and sportier sound compared to standard exhausts. The thing to consider if you want to change your exhaust is its usability and effect on vehicle performance. If you already understand the different types of car exhausts and want to know more about how they are made, this time we will discuss in detail from the beginning until the exhaust is ready for use. The first step in the exhaust manufacturing process is to cut the pipe according to the design. The main components used in exhaust manufacturing include carbon, titanium, stainless steel, and aluminum. Stainless steel is known for its resistance to rust and its ability to withstand high temperatures. Meanwhile, titanium is more expensive and offers high strength at a lighter weight. The use of these materials helps reduce the weight of the exhaust, especially at the bottom of the vehicle. Next, the selected materials are then cut and shaped according to the design dimensions. Cutting and forming machines are used to cut the material into the shape of pipes and other components. This process may also involve heat treatment or coating to improve the material's resistance to extreme temperatures and rust. The next process is forming and welding, otherwise known as assembling the components. The material that has been cut is now formed into exhaust parts through various processes such as bending and threading, including the formation of clays, straight pipes, and joints. Once the material is formed, the next step, welding, is done to join the components together. This process is usually done manually by experienced welders or using sophisticated automated welding machines. The quality of the welding is very important to ensure there are no exhaust gas leaks and to ensure the strength and durability of the exhaust. Once all the components are assembled, the next step is the installation of silencers, such as headers, catalytic converters, resonators, mufflers, and tailpipes. Now it's time to install silencers or mufflers on the exhaust system. This silencer serves to reduce the noise produced by the engine. This system can also ensure that the vehicle not only has optimal performance, but the sound produced will also be comfortable to hear. There are different types of silencers used, such as resonators that reduce certain frequencies and multi-level mufflers that break up the sound waves. Once all the components are installed, the exhaust enters the finishing and coating stage. At this stage, the exhaust is given a protective coating to prevent rust and improve its visual appearance. This coating also helps to keep the exhaust clean and extend its lifespan. The next step, the final inspection, is done to ensure the exhaust is free from defects and meets the set quality standards. So that's the fascinating journey of the car exhaust manufacturing process, from inception to a ready-to-use component in your vehicle. Hopefully, this video has given you a new insight into the exhaust manufacturing process that you see on vehicles. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.